red, blue, green, yellow,
yellow, green, blue, red,
What color is this?
blue,
What is this color?
yellow,
What color is this?
green,
What is this color?
red, red, blue, yellow, green. Blue, yellow, green, red. Now, let's bounce them out. Woohoo! Let's do it upside down. And now, let's do the difference. Let's bounce them. Now, let's put them at the front by not matching the colors and do it different. Oopsie daisy. Now, let's bounce them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we get to the next toy. This, what you do. You can use it with the other hammer. Let's try with the first, this hammer. Okay, I'm putting this here so they can like fall on the floor, and now we can just keep them in case. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do them by differently. another hammer. Don't forget your home. No. There we go. Now let's do it by this hammer. Oopsie daisy. Oh. One, two, three, four. So this board is like those people's. Hello. Now we can play them like scoring a goal in here. Here we go. Let's try the green ball, yes. Woohoo! Let's try it again. Yay! Woo, woo, woo. Come on, boys. Silly ball. I don't want to go in the goal. Yay! No! Silly balls are coming everywhere. Silly ball. Yay! Done it.
Thanks. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.